How to create Facebook page auto replies. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create your auto reply on your Facebook page. So let's get started. First, just go to your business suite. You can go there by going to business.facebook.com, and after you're there, you can select your business page. From here, just select the one that you want. And after you do that, to create the automated response, you'll need to go to inbox right here. So you'll see the inbox option, tap on it, and this will lead you to this page. So right here, you can see all messages. You can create the automations for Messenger, Instagram, for whatever you want. So here, what we'll do is we'll do it for Messenger. We'll tap on it, and here we'll go to automations. Tap on automations. After you tap on it, you will see all of these options. So you can select the one that you want. We'll be doing instant reply. We'll tap on try it. Now this is an template already available. So as you can see right here, where would you like to use this automation? I'll do it from Messenger. You will find Instagram if you have enabled it. So what we'll do is we'll just rewrite these messages. So here what you can do is type in the message that you want to send for instant reply. Now we can add even names here. You can see right here, we can personalize the message. We can insert emoji. We'll just do this and add the first name of the recipient. Just toggle this button on, tap on add. So right here you will see if the name of the texter is John, it will reply, "Hi, thanks John for contacting us. We have received your message and appreciate you reaching out." And you can edit this as you like, and after you do that, you can tap on save image. Now first, before you do that, you need to toggle this button on for that instant reply to work. So toggle this on and save the change. After you do that, you're basically done. So that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.